students, in this video we will learn about close packed structures. Here close packed structures, it is indicates that due to stronger interparticular attractions in solids, means here in solid states mainly we have to consider that interparticle attractions in solids. In solids, here the constituent particles are close packed in three dimensions. So in this part we shall study about close packing in 3 dimension, starting from close packing in 1 dimension. Means we have to understand that here close packed structures, it is indicates that the mainly interparticle attractions between one particle to the another particle in solid state. So here they have explained that close packed structures in 3 ways. That is, first one, close packed means, just I will write in short formation CP. Close packed structures or close packing in 1 dimension. Second one, close packing in 2 dimensions. And close packing in 3 dimensions. So one by one we shall study in clearly. In 1 dimension what it will happen, 2 dimensions and 3 dimensions, and here we should understand that one of the very important point, how the constituent particles are arranged from 1 dimension to the 2 dimension, 2 dimension to the 3 dimensions, and also we should notify that here the coordination number. Here first one, close packing in 1 dimension. Here the spheres are arranged in a row touching one another. Means in this type of 1 dimension, the spheres, so these spheres are arranged in a single row. They have arranged in a single row. So they have touch with one another, and in this arrangement each sphere is contact with 2 of its neighbor. Means here you can take this sphere is contact with these 2 neighbors, and this will be touch with these 2 neighbors. Like that each sphere is in contact with 2 of its neighbors, hence here the coordination number of a particle is taken as 2. So this is very important for 1 mark or 2 marks question. What is the coordination number for close packing in 1 dimension? Means you should write 2, because this particle is contact with this one and this one. Similarly, if you take this particle or sphere is contact with these 2, like that they have contact with the 2 of its neighbors, so its coordination number will be 2. So this is in a single row arrangement only. So this is in a very simple dimensionally they have explained, that is in the formation of a 1 dimension. So when compared to a close packing in 2 dimension to the 1 dimension, it is in a simple way of arrangement. So somewhat critical explanation is explained in close packing in 2 dimension. Let us learn about that. So in close packing in 2 dimensions, for this another row of a sphere is placed over the sphere of the previous row. So this can be done in 2 different ways, like close packing, that is in the formation of square close packing, and hexagonal close packing. Hexagonal close packing. The name itself, it is indicates the square close packing, and here hexagonal close packing, it is nothing but the arrangement will be square nature, so it will be comes under square close packing. If it will be hexagonal, it is comes under hexagonal close packing. So now let us learn about one by one. So first one we shall discuss about that square close packing. Square close packing. So what is here square close packing, how it will be arrangement, let us learn about. So in this square close packing, the spheres of the second row are placed right above the spheres of the previous row. So see here, this is second row, it is placed on the first row, and third row it is placed on the second row. Like that they have arrangement in a regular arrangement, means the arrangement in the first row is exactly the same as that in the second. Therefore the first row is represented as A, the second row is again A. Continuing this, we get A type of arrangement. So this type of arrangement we will be focus that A arrangement. And then here each sphere is contact with 4 of its neighbors. How we can see here, this sphere is contact with 4, 1 2 3 4, means like this, means each sphere is contact with 4 of its neighbors. So just you can consider like this also, we will be get 4 spheres is going to contact. So here the coordination number is taken as 4. Coordination number is 4. When the centers of those 4 spheres are connected, we get a square shape. Hence this packing is called as square close packing in 2 dimensions. So this center of the particle, whenever it will be connected to a 4 spheres, the shape it will becomes a square. Hence this type of arrangement is called as square close packing. It will be explained in a 2 dimensions, so it is represented as square close packing in 2 dimensions. So this is about the first type, square close packing. So second type of close packing is known as hexagonal close packing. Hexagonal close packing. Now let us learn about what is the difference and how the arrangement will becomes from square close packing to the hexagonal close packing. Now let us learn about that. So here explain that hexagonal close packing, how it will be arrangement. In this type of arrangement, the spheres of the second row are placed in the depressions or created by the spheres of the first row. Hence the spheres of the third, fifth layers and so on align with those of the first layer, and the spheres of the fourth, sixth layers and so on align with those of second layer. Hence this arrangement are called as AB type. So simply you can understand that it is not a regular arrangement. It is not a regular arrangement. So the first row, it is not similar to that of the second row. The first row is similar to third row. Second row is similar to the fourth row. So this type of arrangement is called as here AB type. AB type of arrangement, because first, third row are similar, second and fourth row are similar, and this is not a regular arrangement, this is an irregular arrangement. Hence here each sphere is in contact with 6 of its neighbors. Hence the coordination number of this arrangement is known as 6. So how it will be 6 in the sense, just you can focus any one particle here, the center of the particle I will take here, these two spheres, and here 3, 4, 5 and here will be 6. So the coordination number for this hexagonal close packing is taken as 6. Coordination number is taken as 6 for this type of hexagonal close packing. When the center of the 6 spheres are connected, a regular hexagon is formed. Therefore, this packing is called as hexagonal close packing in 2 dimensions. So, here we will be get a particular shape of hexagon. Hence, this shape or this type of arrangement is called as hexagonal close packing. And another one point here, there is less vacant space and hence close packing is more efficient in hexagonal close packing than in square close packing. The empty spaces are usually known as voids. Empty spaces are usually known as voids. Voids are triangular in shape. There are 2 types of triangular voids. In one row, the vertices of triangles are pointing towards, while in the next row downwards. These voids, it is usually observed that close packing in 3 dimensions. So here you should focus on that, which type of arrangement, what is the coordination number, and is it regular arrangement or irregular arrangement. You should notify that. So this is about the close packing in 2 dimension. It is in the formation of a square close packing and in hexagonal close packing. So here you should remember that in case of a close packing structures in 1 dimension, also coordination number will be 2, and here close packing in 2 dimension, that is square close packing, coordination number will be 4. In hexagonal close packing, it is taken as coordination number will be 6. These 3 points are very important for short note questions, and also there is a possibility to ask in explanation type also. This is about the close packing in 1 dimension and close packing in 2 dimension. In the next video, we shall discuss about that close packing in 3 dimension. So if you have any doubts, please comment and please subscribe our